Hello students, welcome back. In the previous classes we discussed HCF and LCM. HCF, highest common factor. We need to find the maximum number or the highest common number, that is HCF. And when we discuss about LCM, least common multiple, the next nearest common, the least common multiple, smallest number that can divide each number, or the smallest distance, that is least common multiple, LCM. And for finding the LCM we use three methods, and we continue our questions with the third method, division method. We find LCM using division method. Division method is first write the numbers together, then divide each number with the corresponding numbers. If it is possible to divisible by the prime numbers, then we divide. And one question, find the LCM of 8, 10 and 12. Today's first question, find the LCM of 8, 10 and 12. First we need to write the numbers together, 8, 10 and 12, and divide each number with the least prime number. Here least prime number, that is 2. Is it possible to divide all the numbers by 2? Yes, it is possible. So because these all numbers are even numbers, so we can divide these numbers with 2. 8 divided by 2, 4. 10 divided by 2, 5. 12 divided by 2 is 6. Half of these numbers, 4, 5 and 6. Now we need to check it is possible to divide these numbers with 2. We can divide 4 and 6. But it is not divisible by 2. 5 is not divisible by 2. No problem, just divide it. The number, just write down the number. It is not divisible, just write down the number. 4 divided by 2, half of 2. Half of 4, 2. And we can divide by 5. We can divide 5. We can divide 5. So we just write down 5. 6 divided by 2, that is 3. Now we got 3 different numbers. These all are prime numbers, so we can't find a common number other than 1. So just divide the numbers. First we divide this number by 2. 2 divided by 1. 2 divided by 2, 1. We can't divide 5, so just write down 5. Then we can't divide 3, so just write down that 3. Then again which number, that is 3. Next possible number 3, 1, 5. 3 divided by 3, 1. Now the last step, just divide that number by 5, because 5 divided by 5 is 1. Now we got 1. When we find ones, then stop the process, stop the division process. Now we got this is the product of some prime numbers. So write LCM is equal to product of its prime numbers. 2 into 2 into 3, 2 into 3 into 5, that is equal to 5 into 3, 15. 15 into 2, double of 15, 30. 30 into 2, double of 30, 60. 60 into 2, 6 plus 6, 12. So 120 is the LCM of these given of the least common multiple of 8, 10 and 12, that is equal to 120. So LCM is 120. Now we can discuss some word problems. And our first question, let us try 5.5 question number 4. Before starting these word problems, you must learn about 2 words. For finding the HCF we use equal and greatest. Here for finding the LCM, least common. For finding the highest common factor, there we use maximum common. Here least common multiple, least, smallest, smallest number, smallest common multiple. So the nearest possible multiple. So always remember the term smallest and common. Okay. Our question is, two cyclists are riding along a circular path. The first cyclist completes a round in 12 minutes, while the second cyclist completes a round in 18 minutes. Now they gave two numbers, 12 and 18. Okay, if both them started from the same place at the same time and ride in the same direction, same. We got the first term, same. Then, after how many minutes will they meet again at the starting point? What is the nearest possible time to meet them? Nearest possible, the smallest time. So here we need to find the LCM of the given numbers. The question is, two cyclists start cycling from same starting point, same time, and they ride to the same direction. First cyclist need 12 minutes to complete one round, and second cyclist completes a round in 18 minutes. We need to find which is the nearest meeting point. After how many minutes will they meet again at the starting point? So here we found the LCM of given numbers. LCM of the least common multiple, the least smallest possible, least common multiple of the given numbers, 12 and 18. 12 and 18. I will find, write down the given numbers, 12 and 18, divide. We can divide these two numbers by 2. 12 divided by 2, 6. 18 divided by 2, 9. Then again we divide that numbers by 2. 3 2s are 6, 9. We can divide these two numbers by 3. 3 1s are 3, 3 3s are 9. Again we can divide number by 3. Just write down 1, and 3 divided by 3, 1. So the LCM of these two numbers are 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. 3 3s are 9, 9 2s are 18, 18 2s are 36. 2 into 2 4, 4 3s are 12, 12 3s are 36. So they will meet after 36 minutes. They will meet after 36 minutes. Here in the question they gave 2 times, and then they gave the same, the word same, equal. If both of them started from the same place at the same time and ride in the same direction, and we need to find after how many minutes will they meet again at the starting point, which is the nearest time. So here we found LCM of two numbers. LCM of 12 and 18, that is equal to 36. So after 36 minutes they will meet again. Here we have to find LCM of 12 and 18. LCM of 12 and 18 is equal to 36. After 36 minutes they will meet again at the starting point. And next question. A shopkeeper sells candles in packets of 12 and candle stand in packet of 8. What is the least number of candles and candle stands Nida should buy so that there will be one candle for each candle stand? Two words are here, same, equal and least number. So here we need to find LCM. LCM of 12 and 8. 12 and 8 is, write the numbers together and divide with the possible prime numbers. 12 and 8, these two are even numbers, so we can divide these two numbers by 2. 12 divided by 2, half of 2, 12, that is 6, half of 8, 4. Again we can divide these two numbers by 2. 3 2s are 6, 2 2s are 4. Again 2, just write down 3. 2 into 1 is 2. 3 3 1s are 3, 1. So the LCM is product of the prime numbers 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. That is 3 2s are 6. 6 into 2, 12 into 2, 24. So answer is 24. We have to find the LCM of 12 and 8. LCM of 12 and 8 is 24. So the least number of candles and candle stand that Nida should buy is 24. She must buy 24 candles, at least 24 candles. So for finding LCM, we use two words, least and common. Least common multiple, that is LCM. HCF means highest common factor. Always remember these two terms, highest common factor, that is HCF, and least common multiple is LCM. Today's class is over. See you in the next class. Thank you.